Hi everyone, we recently bought a small cottage on a hill. There are a lot of stairs and carrying heavy things up and down is really hard. So, I decided to start a new project. I want to build a slope car pulled by an electric winch. The hill is about 12 meters long. I started by buying the irons, which weighed almost 100 kilograms. There was a lot of cutting and welding ahead of me. This is actually my first big welding project. I'm completely self-taught. I hope everything holds together and will be safe to use. We will always be very careful. I welded the cut pieces, drill holes for the wheels, and painted it with anti-rust paint. I didn't manage to finish everything, so this video will have more parts. I still need to figure out how to make the opening door. I couldn't find many videos on YouTube for inspiration, so I hope you enjoy this one.